Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 14th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trading recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's just jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Let me maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see. We see green. We see green, we see green, we see green. We actually might have gotten a higher. We closed near the high, so we can see that on the big picture, and everything is looking good. Let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On this monthly chart, what we see here, again, is that higher high, higher low. We actually got a close above this quarterly R1 now. So that means this market is trying to go higher. Let's see what happens. I kind of been noticing that these last few days in the market, especially on the SPY. I am long on the SPY. Let you know that. And I kind of expect it to go a little bit. No trade recommendation, but I'm wondering if I should have got out of my trade today. Because we've been getting these drops on Friday, and it didn't drop this Friday as much. So I'm kind of looking and seeing it did pull back a little bit at the end of the session at around 3:30 and all. So I'm kind of like wondering, what's going to happen come Monday. Are we going to get a gap up, and continue to go, or are we going to continue pulling back? Instead of Friday pull back, we end up getting a Monday pull back. But let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. Let me change this up. On this weekly chart, what we see here, we see a lot of green candles up here. And that's the thing that I have been noticing. Even though we've been getting all these tails on these weekly candles each week, getting these sell-offs on these tails up here every time we got up here near the supply here. And this time we closed up here in this supply. And so that's the thing is, we ate up quite a bit of this supply, and the supply couldn't push this market back down here today. And also, that's why I'm kind of expecting maybe we're getting ready to break these highs and go higher. So, but we got to kind of like wait and see what happens there. And that's what I see here on this weekly chart. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On this daily chart, I want to zoom back to here. This is where we was kind of like, I think this supply, a lot of this stuff here was in play before. When I say back here, this supply that had got this big red candle here going down, because again, we were getting up here, and then we would get the red candle, then boom, gap down. We would get the red candle, then gap down. We would get the red candle, didn't quite go as high even this time, and we didn't gap down quite as much. As you can see, come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We didn't gap down as much on Monday, and I think they might have mentioned that on Monday, our call that we have, because we kind of noticed that the market wasn't down as much. So again, it did kind of give us a gap down here. On Wednesday, we ended up the market opens down here. And then it traded back up, and then it has traded back up the last couple of days. We did close today, with a doji here at the top, and that's why I said we got to kind of like wait and see. Are we going to get a sell-off come Monday and all in this thing go down, or are we going to gap up and continue going higher? And that's pretty much it. That's what I'm seeing here. We got to kind of like wait and see what happens and see how this thing goes come Monday. So I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And happy Valentine's Day again. Go spend some time with your loved ones. Talk to you later. Bye. This is Right Side Trader. Talk to you later.